got something a little bit different for you today. So we spend a ton of time on this channel talking about making smart food choices, how expensive eating out can be and how much it can be a detriment to your budget. But we're realistic. We know that sometimes life gets busy, there's things going on with the family, we're on the run, we're on the move, and we have to eat out. But we can make some smarter decisions in that process. We can make choices at different fast food restaurants that are both better for our budget and our financial future, and probably a somewhat healthier choice. Now, not healthy options. We all know that, right? But we can at least try to do a good job of keeping things as in line as we can from both a health and a financial perspective. So I wanted to give you a little bit of a comparison today of some options that you could be facing. So if we take a look at this chart here, we can see we've got a column for our smart fast food day and our no limit fast food day. You know, we're looking at the smart side. I know it's not the most exciting, okay? We've got black coffee, as my wife would call it, sad bean water, a wake up wrap. At lunch, we've just got 20 nuggets on there. You know, the idea here is, hey, at least it's a lot of protein in those things. We are in survival mode in these situations, right? We're not trying to make this everyday normal occurrence. This is survival mode. And then a Chipotle bowl that's a little more conservative in terms of what ingredients are there. You know, we may not have sour cream and cheese on this thing. Well, there's cheese, but we may not have sour cream. And so that's a big miss for some of us, including myself. So you can see here, we came in for the day under 2,000 calories and under $25. $25 is not a small number, but for an entire day of eating, it's not massive either. You know, we took a conservative approach. On that no limit side, we're staring at our, you know, calorie dense and sugar heavy Frappuccino and breakfast sandwich that's costing us $13. At lunch, we've splurged for, you know, the side and the soft drink. And then at dinner, we went all out at Chipotle, like most people do, honestly. You know, we've added that sour cream and that guac to our bowl. We've got a drink, we've got chips and queso. And as you can see, we end up with almost 5,000 calories for the day and double the price. So when we compare these two options, we're talking 1,900 calories versus almost 5,000 calories, $25 versus almost $50. Massive differences in both the health and wellness aspect, as well as what it's doing to our wallet. So even in these times when life gets busy, life gets hard, there's still smarter decisions we can make to work towards a better future for ourselves.